So the conditions for success for a technology startup in the UK today require a few things. It requires that you be very, very agile and fast. That is to say, if you're a young company with a young idea in the tech space, the technology industry does not suffer slow well. That means to say, if you've got an idea, you need to move quite rapidly to bring it to market. Second, you need to attract the interest of the technology community. Companies do not start by themselves without support and without fitting into the web of what already exists. One of the reasons clusters exist around the world is because small companies get together and working together they grow more quickly. And also that's where the money finds them and they find the money. Thus, as a practical matter, if you're a European technology startup, one of the best places to start your business is in London, by way of example, because it's becoming a global hub for young technology companies.